5. You got the approximated reader. Right here. So you got the card reader. Here's your hotel room key.
Yeah.
No, can I put the room key here?
Are you filming?
Yeah. Okay. It's okay. So, I keep being famous on camera.
Yeah.
So that's my mom. Yeah, and this is an absolute surprise. And here's Miko Bear.
Were you surprised?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. So this is your standard 2 king room. We're staying here next to a wonderful Homewood suite. You probably cannot see it from here, but there's a view of Burlington. That's the hotel we're gonna check out tomorrow. So you got some other stuff as well. So over here you have your standard hotel telephone. This is your light, which just has a business station. You can have a room service if you wanted to. This is a little iHome, or it's not an iHome, but Mom, look at this. Mom, look. You got an iHome thing right there. Dad, are you keeping on camera? Are you keeping on camera?
Sure. Yes. Yeah.
There's my father. Yeah. There's my mom and yeah. So over there.
Desk. You can tell they use this for people who are business people, right?
Yeah, kind of. Not something you would expect from a high-class hotel, but you also have your controls here for your air conditioning unit. I'm trying to find what brand it is. I think it's in Amana. I'm not sure though, but I'm with most hotel rooms. I'll show the TV after. Oh, it's a Perfect Comfort. I've never heard of them before, but
You have to like this now.
over here we have a mini fridge. What do you call this, a mini fridge?
Yes.
This is a mini fridge right here, which has some stuff right there. Over here is a little closet, which you can put your coats, your shirts, footwear, and also this is Daddy, what would you call this thing here?
What's a place to store luggage?
Yeah, place to store your luggage. You also have this right here, which is a you can do ironing if you wanted to. Over here is the hotel fire escape instructions. Those are the elevators right there. As you can see, we're on floor 5. This is a mini kitchen, which has a nice Danby microwave, a Keurig coffee maker with some coffees you can choose from. You also have an ice dispenser, which you can refill. This is also some of our snacks we brought up. We bought them at the Sobeys. Sobeys grocery store or no Frisco?
Yeah, I have a good.
Okay. This is the bathroom, which has these nice lights. I think they're fluorescent. So these will do see that is for you. Oh, Mom, check this out. Look, it has an arched shower curtain. This is the shower, as you can see. Not gonna bother turning it on. You have an azure commode, or however you pronounce it. You have a paper towel or Kleenex right there. And you even provide your own soap, which is nice. Here's the sink. This is the towels. Overall, I think this is a great hotel room, despite we usually stay at Best Westerns. But overall, I want to thank my mom for surprising me.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
I'm glad you're surprised.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Overall, because this is what you get with hotels, you get nice rooms and stuff like that, and that's why this is a better choice than staying at one of those small, cheap, like $50 motels. I mean, some hotels are good while others are not. Here's a guidebook right here. Guest services directory, you can see. Yep. Pause if you want to read it. You have your business and services and stuff like that. high-speed internet access.
Can I borrow the keys?
Borrow.
I don't have it anymore. Not the present.
It's on the.
car.
Alright, yes, I think we have the other bag. It's real.
This is the guest services as well. Television channel listings, guest services, safety and security procedures. Again, more safety security procedures. This is security chip for travelers. Houses of worship. Area attractions. You have Air Canada Center, African Lion Safari. All of your stuff like that. Room service. Also room service as well. Burgers and sandwiches. Entrees. These foods are usually very good in my opinion. Wine, beer, desserts, cocktails, pastas, advertisements. You have Boston pizza available. Room service. Oh, those look delicious. This is some more advertisement on food. That must be a fishing advertisement. Topper's Pizza. Gino. What do you call that thing?
Like a coupon?
Yeah, we have a Gino's coupon. Not with us right now because we're in a hotel room. This is overall a great hotel, and it's certainly, and it's like.
Did you do the commode?
I actually did not want to flash them. I just showed it off.
Oh, but you've already done this room.
I got the branding. So overall, what do you think about this room?
I love it.
Joke, but yeah. And all these groceries we bought at a store with an elevator.
Mm-hmm. A grocery store with an elevator.
Yeah. So guys. I hope you enjoyed this place, and I would highly recommend this hotel for lodging if you're staying in Burlington and the surrounding areas. Hope you enjoy it. That's it.